Welcome back to the Weather Centre, where you'll see cloudy weather settled in over much of South Africa's interior on Wednesday. That moisture moved in from early on in the day, resulting in a few drops of rainfall for the Eastern Cape. And in the afternoon, we've seen isolated thundershowers forming over the interior parts of the Northern and Eastern Cape, but those larger thunderstorms forming over the interior part of KwaZulu-Natal as well as into Mpumalanga. We're forecasting most of the thunderstorm activity over the central, northeastern and eastern interior on Wednesday afternoon, but those thunderstorms extend all the way through to the east coast on Wednesday night. It'll be a dry night in the west with a mild to warm night in store across the country. We're forecasting some morning rainfall around Port Elizabeth on Thursday, with the possibility of rain extending along the east coast, and then we'll see thundershowers forming again over the interior, particularly in a band between the northern and eastern Cape, as well as over the northeastern interior, with a mostly sunny and hot forecast in the west. Here's our rainfall probability map for tonight, with scattered thunderstorms expected over the interior part of KwaZulu-Natal as well as into Mpumalanga, and then you'll see a large area of isolated thunderstorms extending from the eastern part of the Northern Cape through to southern Limpopo, as well as over the interior part of the Eastern Cape, but those thundershowers extending all the way through to the east coast, and we're still expecting some rain along the Eastern Cape coastline. Wind-wise, we're forecasting a southerly to southwesterly wind along the east coast, with more of a southeasterly breeze over the southwestern part of South Africa. Overnight, you'll see wind speeds picking up, particularly over the interior parts of the Cape provinces. Fresh winds are forecast overnight, and then tomorrow we're forecasting more of an easterly flow over the southern part of South Africa. We're forecasting strong winds, particularly in the vicinity of Port Elizabeth. Overnight, mild to warm temperatures are expected across South Africa. 20 degrees for Pretoria, 18 for Johannesburg, Bloemfontein, De Aar and Port Elizabeth, 19 degrees for Cape Town and East London, and we're expecting a warm night along the east coast as well as into the Lowveld, with minimum temperatures remaining above 20 degrees. It'll be a scorching hot Thursday afternoon in Uppington at 40, 33 as we head into Kimberley and Vredendal, 30 degrees for Cape Town, and it'll be a warm Thursday for George at 27. Cooler weather moves in over the eastern part of South Africa, with highs in the middle and upper 20s for KZN, around 30 degrees for Bombela, Pretoria and Polokwane, 28 for Johannesburg, with another mild day for Port Elizabeth, East London and Bishu, all at 23 degrees. Our extended forecast for Friday shows cooler weather and thundershowers in the northeast, with thundershowers for East London and Durban and some rain for Port Elizabeth. Things remain dry in the west, with maximum temperatures warming up as we head towards the weekend. It'll be a hot Saturday in the west, with the possibility of rain along the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal coastline, and we're forecasting hot weather and thunderstorms in the northeast. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.